Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to grow facial hair or beard. A lot of men in the world dream of having a luscious and thick beard for a more masculine look. Unfortunately, men often find difficult to grow their facial hair fast. If you are a person who wants to grow your facial hair faster, it is a great time to try a few techniques and tricks for faster facial hair in this video. Now I will show you effective tips on how to grow facial hair faster for men. This list includes some of the effective solutions for growing facial hair. So if you want to know how to grow hair on the face faster, keep your eyes on this video to learn ways to grow facial hair at home. Home remedy number 1. Lime juice and ground cinnamon. You can increase your hair growth at the comfort of your home with the help of cinnamon and lime juice. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon with 2 tablespoons of lime juice to get a paste. Then apply this paste to your facial skin and then rinse it off after around 20 to 25 minutes. Repeat this method twice a day for the best results. Home remedy number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is very effective for growing facial hair. Apply coconut oil paste to your facial skin using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. Reapply this natural remedy 2 to 3 times a week for your desired results. Home remedy number 3. Mustard leaves and amla oil. Mustard leaves and amla oil is very beneficial to grow facial hair faster. First mix 1/4 cup of amla oil with about 3 tablespoons of mustard leaves. Mix it well until you get a paste. Then apply this paste directly to your facial skin and then leave it for about 20 minutes. Finally rinse it off with water. Home remedy number 4. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus can be used to help in boosting the facial hair growth. At first, dilute eucalyptus oil by mixing this oil with water in a ratio of 1/4. Then apply it directly to your facial skin using a cotton ball. Allow it to rest on for a while. Finally rinse it off with water. Home remedy number 5. Coconut oil and rosemary essential oil. To use a combination of coconut oil and rosemary essential oil for growing facial hair, make rosemary oil and virgin coconut oil in a ratio of 1:1. Then gently soak it into the mixture with the help of a cotton ball or cotton pad and then apply it to your facial skin. Leave it on for around 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off with fresh water. Repeat this method 1 or 2 times a day. Home remedy number 6. Condition the beard. Conditioning the beard can help with the beard growth a bit. It can lock in moisture, providing a nice sheen and keeping the hair roots strong. Also, it helps to relieve scratchiness that can cause annoying when trying to sleep. Home remedy number 7. Purchase a beard oil. Beard oil penetrates through the hair filaments into the hair follicles to offer the hair nutrients, allowing the hair root to produce much more filaments at high speed. In addition to this, beard oil can make your hair get more volume than conditioning or moisturizer alone. Beard oil can help in softening the facial hair and reducing itching. After watching this video on how to grow facial hair fast for men, I hope that you can find out the best way that can help you grow facial hair fast and effectively. However, to be safe, you should consult a doctor before applying any of these ways. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.